Hey guys, I just wanted to show you guys this app. I don't know, I bought it a long time ago for $5, but I think now they have a subscription, but I'm just going to run through it. I learned 5 words yesterday. It's like Anki Deck, uses space repetition, but it's real voices, not text to speech, stuff like that. So this is where you go to the learning tab. Before I go there, I want to show you how advanced this is. This is the dialogue section. All these are pretty advanced, but I'll do the newbie stuff after, but I'll show you the good stuff first. So let's just pick something random. How about at the beach? So you have the audio only, you listen to it, and then you have the audio with the Spanish subtitles, you try to comprehend it. Then the audio with the English subtitles, then you get the comprehension, then you memorize the sentences in the flashcards. But I'm just going to do the audio with English subtitles first, just so you get an idea of what it's like. So let's check it out.
David conoce a Nadia en la playa.
Disculpa, ¿es seguro nadar aquí?
Sí, la corriente no es fuerte. Tienes un acento extraño. ¿De dónde eres?
Soy inglés, vengo de Londres.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo David. ¿Y tú?
Me llamo Nadia.
Encantado. ¿Vives en la ciudad?
No, vivo en otra ciudad cerca de aquí, pero aquí estudio arquitectura en la universidad. ¿Y tú qué haces?
También soy estudiante. Estudio historia. Estoy aquí de vacaciones. Es la primera vez que vengo a esta ciudad.
Esta noche mis amigos y yo vamos a salir a un bar. ¿Quieres venir con nosotros?
Me encantaría. Estoy en el Hotel San Esteban, en el centro de la ciudad. ¿Cómo puedo hacer para reunirme con ustedes?
Yo paso a buscarte.
Eres muy amable. Hasta esta noche.
Hasta esta noche.
Hasta esta noche. So anyways, that was just like one random dialogue, and now I can memorize it in the flashcard. So I'll just go here. There's the whole dialogue that we just watched or listened to, and you can add it by tapping this little green let's see.
Disculpa, ¿es seguro nadar aquí? Disculpa, ¿es seguro nadar aquí?
Es seguro nadar there. So type in that. Yeah, there you go. There you add the plus. So now I added it to my flashcards, just randomly. So I'm gonna go back. I want to show you guys the cards, the flashcards. Where are they? There's so many. There's also this hands-free. I'll get to the flashcards in a second. You can just let it play. If you have text-to-speech, it'll give you...
Single bed.
There, text-to-speech.
La cama sencilla.
La cama sencilla is a single
Does
bed.
the room have a bathroom?
One more.
¿La habitación tiene baño?
La habitación tiene baño. Okay, I don't want to save that. So you can let that play while you're sleeping and just, review in the middle of the night or something if you wake up half asleep, or listen to it as you fall asleep. But you can listen to like 9,999 or something like that maximum phrases and just let that play forever. But if we go over here to explore, that's what I was looking for. Here's the decks. So useful lists, the basics. You can start off with these decks. There's 431 cards in verbs. In nouns, there's 485. Starting a conversation, there's 23. So let's take a look at useful lists, I guess. By level, how about that? So these are 15 levels. We could take a look at, let's check out intermediate communication, level 5, and see what's all in there. Now they have these tiers, 9 tiers in level 5. Let's go to the 5th tier. And here's all the phrases that you're going to learn in just that one tier. This thing is loaded with phrases.
¿Qué se puede hacer por las noches?
So, what is there to do at night? How about, are we going out tonight?
¿Salimos esta noche?
Salimos esta noche? I would love to.
Me encantaría.
Me encantaría. So you can go through all those. You can add whatever you want. Or you can just follow the deck by itself. I'm trying to go back. say you're just a brand new beginner like me, so you go to the level 0, the basics, and you know, adios and cinco and all that stuff. Just how about you learn that from there? So that's where you go to the learn tab. And right now I'm on level 0, so I'm going to learn these 5 flashcards, and then it's like Anki, where it will ask you if do you know that, have you mastered this, or do you want to hear it again soon? So let's learn these 5 flashcards right here. So we selected the flashcards. Now we listen and repeat. I'll just go through the whole thing, and then you'll get an idea of what it's like. Listen.
Señor.
Señor. Turn the flashcard over.
Señor.
Señor. Mr. You can record yourself, but I'm not going to do that because it's going to wreck this recording. So next.
Los servicios. El baño.
Oh, I have no idea.
Los servicios. El baño.
Los servicios. El baño. So the restroom, the bathroom. Los, if you want to hear it again.
Los servicios. El baño.
Los servicios. El baño. So if you want to hear it again or next, I'm gonna go again.
El agua.
El agua. So that's water.
El agua.
El agua. Next.
Señorita.
Señorita. That's a miss.
Señorita.
Señorita. So next.
Señora.
Señora. That's a Mrs., right?
Señora.
Señora. Or madame, I mean. Señora. So next.
Los servicios. El baño.
They're repeating that because I said I want to do it again. So those are toilets or something.
Los servicios. El baño.
Los servicios. I can't even say it. El baño. So we're going to go to next, and then we go to the next tier, which is to memorize the words. Los servicios. El baño.
Los servicios. El baño.
So did I get it correct? I got it right. So los servicios. El baño. I'm saying it bad, but that's okay. I'm a gringo, okay? I'm just going to say correct. El agua.
El agua.
El agua, correct. Señora.
Señor.
Señor. I can't do the tongue flappy thing yet. But señorita? Señorita.
Señorita.
Señorita. I can't remember how to say that.
Señora.
Señora. So just pretend I did. So I said it correctly. Now you can write it or self-evaluate it. I don't like the writing, but I'll show you anyway what it's like. This is the main part of the course, where it uses spaced repetition and stuff like that too. Mr. is señora, so señora.
Señor.
Or señora. Oh man, this is embarrassing. But it's real, I suck, man. I've been learning French for the last 2 hours and Chinese yesterday for about an hour, and today my brain is still stuck in French mode. So I'm just going to skip these things, turn the flashcard over.
Los servicios.
Los
servicios. El baño.
You don't have to type it out. You can just do that, what I just did. Correct. Next. El agua. Turn the flashcard.
El agua.
El agua. Correcto. Madame is señora, right?
Señora.
Señora. Correcto. Señorita is a miss.
Señorita.
Señorita. So now here's the self-evaluation. This is the meat of this course. Señorita.
Señorita.
So now, how hard is this? Do you want to hear it again real soon? You press again. If it's difficult, you press the orange. Good. Then you'll hear it probably in about 10 days or something. Perfect, you'll hear it probably like in a month or something, you know. So I'm just gonna do I'm gonna say difficult. Señor.
Señor.
Señor. Señor. I don't know how they do that. I put difficult. El baño or something.
Los servicios. El baño.
Los servicios. El baño. I'm gonna do that one difficult. I'm doing them all difficult. El agua.
El agua.
Yeah, that's good. Caution, this is your first evaluation. Are you confident with your answer? Yes. Señora.
Señora.
Señora. Yeah. Good job. You've unlocked something. Where did those words go? Oh yeah, a new bonus item. Learning advice. Optimize your learning. So yeah, you can go deeper into this stuff. Let me show you, the last thing I want to show you is just, where is it? You can add extra decks. Oh, wait. I'm a little bit lost right now. Search, maybe? No. Dialogues. Oh, there's just so much content. It's ridiculous. And I don't know. I'm going to ask them. I'm going to see if they can just learn with this. And I'm going to put the link in the description. And then maybe, they'll get some more view power or whatever. Because this is like a hidden little gem I found a long time ago. And I just haven't used it. I've been using the French one and the Chinese one. But anyways, this is called Mosalingua French. Spanish. My brain is just sauce. And yeah, there's more stuff here. I just can't find it. Oh, here we go. On the bottom, optional packs. So there's optional packs. As of now, your app already contains over 3,000 flashcards, which were carefully selected based on how useful they are and how often they come up in conversation. Blah, blah, blah. But you can get even more packs. If you go, click on about the new packs, I guess. So here's another promo pack for a limited time offer. 15. These are a little bit more expensive. I don't know if they still have these because this is like the old version of the app. Spanish grammar pack. 800 more flashcards. They also have take it to the next level. This is 1,600 new flashcards. So that'd be like an advanced level, I guess. Master slang, sound like a native speaker, speaking online. More dialogues for $3.99. The adventure continues. 16 more dialogues. I only paid like $5 for this, and this thing is like jam packed. Speaking online. What is that? Begin conversing online for $2.29. What? Over 100 words and expressions. Oh, it's just a little pack. Okay. I thought you get to talk to someone online. That would have been crazy for $2. Master slang. Okay, another $4. So anyways, yeah. The base kit, what I just showed you here, I got paid this for $5, but I think they have a online subscription now where it's like $5 a month or something like that. Whether it's worth it or not, that's up to you. Like, I don't know. For me, I'm totally happy with this. And I think I'm going to ask them if they'll let me just do some live streaming as I learn right along with you guys. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to see that or if that's even an option. I'd have to ask them first so they don't, destroy my channel or something, All right. See you guys later.